Good morning. Tuesday morning about 8:30, maybe a little bit before that, and I think we have a trade set up to talk about in the on the S&P E-mini. So here we are, real quick, down and dirty. This is kind of a standard setup. I have 4 time frames with the monthly on down to the hourly, and we talked about the weekly bar potentially exhausting here, and now the weekly bar is moved inside of the weekly envelope top. So early indication that we might be looking for a weekly cycle down to the PL dot, or maybe a little bit lower, maybe down to the weekly envelope bottom. On the higher time period on the monthly, right now the monthly envelope top is holding. It's pretty early in the month to get too excited about that, but so far it's moved back inside the monthly envelope top. And there's also, and I've drawn it here on the daily chart, there's a monthly 6-1 down that it came up here, it held on last week, and then we had that strong move up the other day, and here we are back down below this monthly 6-1 down. And again, so we got 3 areas of higher time period resistance up above right where we are. So the anticipation is that this will hold, this area will hold, and now what we've done is we've closed down below the daily PL dot, and so the trade I anticipate is to see the market perhaps get up into this area again today, and that's where I would be shorting. And to do that, hopefully you're starting to get the drill that you're going to see the hourly bar hopefully move up into this area, and then we'll get an hourly close down below the hourly PL dot in this area, and that would be an entry. And I'm going to put a stop somewhere up above the daily PL dot. So you can fine tune that a little bit more with a 15-minute chart. 15 minutes starts to go into congestion. The hourly chart starts to snake sideways along the PL dots, and then you can short the market with a stop above that area where the congestion entrance was, and that's a little bit more conservative approach. So it's fairly straightforward this morning. We'll see what happens. There are no guarantees, but this is what we're anticipating, is that once again this area here will be strong resistance. I'd like to see this hourly chart come up here and get into this area for a better short, and the stop would be up here somewhere above the PL dot, and we'll see how it plays out. I'll update this tomorrow. If you have any questions, please put them in the video below the video, and I'll do my best to answer them. And good trading, everybody. Talk to you again soon.